Meaning of incommensurable.
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 Incommensurable. The term incommensurable refers to the inability to measure or compare two things against each other using a common standard. This can occur when the values being compared are of different types or have no shared measure. For example, it is difficult to compare the value of a work of art to the value of a scientific discovery since they are fundamentally different in nature and cannot be quantified using the same criteria. Incommensurability can lead to challenges in decision-making, particularly when trying to weigh the relative importance of different factors that cannot be directly compared.